Just a little bit? All right, I got you. Game 16, though. Game 16. In all seriousness. No, he with y'all.
Got a 5.
I'm confused. What are you talking about? All right, tight. That's expected. That's expected. A quick
Now
two to start it off.
Shit.
Y'all got it.
I can be on YouTube highlight. I'll be good.
Another one. Damn. Okay. Tight shit. How you feeling for real? Damn.
I'm about to be getting so many subs today.
No, for real. It's gonna be some. If Blue coming in going like that, going
I'm gonna
crazy.
tell them to check my YouTube.
You say who?
I'm gonna tell them it's gonna be posted on YouTube so I get subs.
Ah, well. I ain't know you said. Go roll. 5-0. 5-0 on that count.
I didn't score.
Yeah, he looking. He looking. Go. Yup.
Oh, I lost that bitch.
Yup. Type shit, it be like that. Same, but we all right here. Whoever won.
I know you like that arm.
I think it stay here too, low key. I think it stay.
It's a quarterback arm right
there. I think it stay here. Hey, get what up, bro, lad. Hey, bro. 5-1. Here we go, y'all. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Fuck. Who threw? Hit the middle, yep. Now you supposed to drop that shit. Good bucket. Step up, you on there. We are the world. Hook side though, bro, drop it. On that right there.
Oh, that's me. Ninja kick!
Oh, wow. He hit that bitch though. We got 5 still?
We have 7.
I thought we got 7.
It's 7-3. My 2 is.
Yep. Nah, go to work, go to work, go to work, go to work, go to work. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. And 1. And
I want that video.
You shot that too. Fuck.
I want that video right there. Send me that clip.
Nah, fuck you, stupid though. Alright, here we go. Lock in. He gonna get bro right here the ball for that. That one, somebody. Shoot it. Damn. Shoot that. Yes, sir, do it.
Your shoes on, Todd.
Damn, hey. Hey, hitting that shit. You got it. Go to work. Yo, world. By yourself.
You want it? Alright.
Man, they letting y'all drive though.
You gotta score.
Okay, I'm gonna get the block. Damn. Alright. Good box out though. A little LA run. Hey, y'all play help side strong though. Only one person can shoot.
You gotta go to my YouTube for it.
Damn.
That's all.
Oh, yeah. We're going down. I'm terrified. Hell yeah, I'm terrified. You don't see that shit? I feel bogus doing that. I don't even feel right doing that though.
You should have not done it then.
I should not done it?
Yeah.
Next time I won't. It's a bucket though.
What we?
If he throw that pass, I can steal it, right?
Yeah.
Let's see.
Check. Check.
Watch your feet, watch your feet, watch your feet. Watch your feet. Watch your feet. I got that side. Yeah. Oh. There, get the ball. It'll work. It'll work. It'll work. Watch it down. Yep. That's that bucket if you want it. Oh, keep it. Keep it. Keep it. I'm on your left if you need it. Oh, take it. Come on top.
No.
Y'all got it. There you go. Woo. Fuck. That's a bucket. Yeah, someone fucking. Oh my mama. Hey, we playing, but they might lose. I mean, we might lose though. It's close. Keep it right. Pull up. Damn. That's that pull up, bro. You gotta walk into that shit.
I'm not. No. I'm not posting on my story.
It's close. Yep.
Oh man.
There you go.
What a big strong move! No?
Come back. Take my foot. All right, leave it.
Ninja kick.
I got you. Ah, fuck. Ah, there you go. Woo! Fuck. Oh, God, it was close. Yo! Hey, he got like 8 of them. I ain't gonna lie, he going crazy.
We got 12.
That'll work. All right, so he's walking down with the ball. Little worry here, skip. Then, oh, no shot. We'll get it to teammate. He said, Brett, nah. Yeah, probably having this one. Damn. You gotta keep it. I mean, what you need. Go down. Y'all work.
Behind.
Watch your back. Yeah. Yo, go to work. Pull up. Most definitely. Oh, fuck.
Leave it.
Let's see. Man, hustle though. 2 for $1.
Ow.
2 for $1. 12-10. You got it. We need a bucket. We need that bucket though. Go to work. Oh, take it. You good. This one right there. Oh shit, here we go. I like that. Woo! That's a bucket, ain't this one? You can have that. Oh, you gonna turn it over anyway. Oh shit. Alright, here we go. There we go. Oh shit. Alright, I ain't know. I did too much though. Shit. My bad, I hit you. My bad, man. I apologize.
13-10.
I won't do that ever again in my life. You trust me? Dang, I don't trust you. It's cool. You good? I'm coming back to you. I'm coming back with you.
What are you doing, fellas? Space it out.
That's some old days. That's definitely some old days for sure. That's some old days. Oh God, I ain't do that shit in years. Ooh, fuck. If you got it. Keep it.
Yo, no more ball for you. You lose ball privileges.
I'm tired of
I'll give it to you.
I'm not here with
I'll
you.
give it to him.
14-12.
Oh God, they getting that bitch though. Fuck, I don't know what that was. Hey, he been banging them bitches.
14. Let's go, fellas.
Hold on. Wait, hold on, wait, take your time. Take the whole right side, Yo. Come on this side. Come on this side.
The game? Ball.
Fuck. Hell yeah, go rebound. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Oh. 4-4. Game on the line. They don't get no better than this. That's like we say on TNT and shit. They don't get no better than this. All right, here you go, y'all. Talk to me though.
Right.
You just take him. I got your help now.
Yeah.
Coming back. You go. Yep, I'll go back.
Go.
Yep, you good. Talk to me though.
Right.
Right side.
Who on this? You just take it. Just jump it early. Cole, Nick, did you just let him shoot? Bro.
Got that?
Fuck. You gotta go, gang. Yo, Will, go ahead, push it. Left. Nah, yeah, left. Man, you gotta pull that bitch, man. Y'all be, don't wait. And 1. 5-4. Straight up or 1 by 2? What we doing?
1 by 2 is straight up.
What we doing?
Deuces or not? Straight up.
Straight up. Y'all wanna take ball or not? Okay.
Oh, you good?
Oh, you feel right. Alright.
My bad.
No tools, y'all. No tools. We good? Yep. Alright, we good, fellas. Just talk to me and then take it early. Alright. Damn, we gotta do pick up. Grab it, 2 hands. Damn. Woo! If you can get out,
Oh, yeah,
No, don't do it.